This is the sensor data for breaking down the permanent wall. Currently, the Ukrainian Ministry of Defense has announced a groundbreaking plan to completely replace the troops responsible for supply and logistics on the front lines with robots, marking the beginning of the era of unmanned warfare. According to the Ukrainian government's detailed roadmap, they plan to sign a large-scale contract to introduce 25,000 unmanned ground vehicles called UGVs by the first half of 2026. This figure is more than twice the total number of contracts signed in 2025 alone, showing just how much Ukraine is staking everything on building an unmanned system. Mikhailo Fedorov, the Minister of Defense, recently formalized this aggressive goal after holding close talks with domestic unmanned ground vehicle manufacturers. He stated that this is not just a one-time introduction, but that they have already begun preliminary contract procedures for the 2027 order volume in order to secure a stable production network in the long term. This is a strong expression of their determination to prepare for a prolonged war and to raise the technological capabilities of their domestic defense industry to the highest level in the world. Currently, the Ukrainian military is actively utilizing these robots. Unmanned ground robots now perform vital tasks like logistics and evacuating wounded soldiers on the front lines, completing over 9,000 real combat missions just in March. Building on these achievements, Ukraine is turning its bold goal into reality by creating an unmanned system where robots handle all frontline logistical missions. The Ukrainian Ministry of Defense has invested about $330 million or $480 billion to deploy over 181,000 drones, unmanned ground robots, and advanced electronic warfare systems along the front lines. On the actual battlefield, the performance of robots has recently included capturing strong Russian positions using only robots and even taking enemy soldiers as prisoners. This is the first recorded instance in human warfare where a stronghold was taken entirely by mechanical power with no human casualties. Mass producing and deploying tens of thousands of unmanned ground vehicles in a year along a 1,200-kilometer front line is a major technical and logistical challenge. Ukraine's defense leaders are confident they can achieve this mission thanks to the country's innovative technology and manufacturing capabilities. What kind of results will these changes bring in the future? This concludes the video. Thank you.
Ja.